Okay, guys, if I can have everybody come on up.
Feet is nice and warm. She got her one stroke in.
Chad, you can go ahead and leave him there.
We want to stand right.
Right over here. Yeah.
No videotape today?
Peter, right over here. Yeah. Okay, guys, so welcome to lesson 3 of our awesome 4-series instructional, our 4-part instructional series. First of all, just some really quick feedback. Chipping and putting. Good, bad? Have we practiced?
I played around. It definitely helped me.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
I think
More consistent.
my putting has definitely, the acceleration has helped. Chipping, I'm a little kind of still working on it. And then I tried bunker shots. And it didn't work for me, but I think I need more practice.
The dollar bill drill. The dollar bill drill will, Chad?
I haven't had much time to practice, but I plan to implement everything.
Yes. Thank you. Thanks for the plug, buddy. Garrett?
Unfortunately, I have work. I haven't had time to practice, but
Well, maybe we'll go out and play this afternoon.
works for me. But I think the sand drill, I got the most out of that because when I hit the sand, I just feel like I have no shot.
Yeah, I think of anything you guys learned over the first 2 lessons. The 2 points that I would take out is the most important factor in putting is your speed. And the biggest part that helps out speed is the acceleration of that club head. Making sure that club head does not decel and keeps going right through the contact zone. And short game, short game, you can practice chipping, you can practice pitching. I mean, there's all sorts of different things you can do. I mean, a lot of it is just kind of understanding how the ball reacts. But that bunker drill, it is immediate relevant feedback, like right away. It's like, all right, did I do this right or did I do it wrong? So those are the 2 things that can really, that if you don't take anything else away from the first part, those 2 points can really help you as you progress in your golf career. So today, guys, we're going to completely change course. We are going to begin the focus of our golf swing. And today we're going to focus on our in-swing fundamentals. In-swing fundamentals.
Or lack thereof.
And related to those in-swing fundamentals, we're going to look at 3 things. We're going to look at our alignment. We're going to look at how we aim. And we're going to look at how all that relates to this lovely doodad right here. Because we can aim right, and we can have ourselves aligned perfectly, but if this part's a little off, the club face, then we've got some problems. So that's where we're going to go ahead and we're going to start today, is we are going to start with the club face today. We are going to start with the club face. If I have a straight line, guys, okay, I put that club face on this straight line. What do you think happens if I turn the face like that? Where is the ball? What could happen if at impact the club face looks like this?
Right.
Left?
From where I'm going to face.
It's going to slice. Yeah. It's going to go, and why is it going to go right? Because the club face is opened up. So now it's going to aim a little bit right. What if I'm like this now? Now I'm all turned in. What might happen?
It's going to go to your left.
It's going to go to the left, right. Now what about trajectory? What if my club face is like this? It's open. What might that do to my trajectory?
You're a higher trajectory.
Exactly. Am I adding loft or am I adding loft or am I subtracting loft?
I'll give another student a chance.
And you're adding loft. Yes. So it could be said that if we're hitting a 5-iron, that if we're out playing and we're hitting a 5-iron the same distance as a 7-iron, and we're like, geez, why is every club going the same distance? what might a root cause of that be? The club face is wide open, almost angled so far that every club works the exact same. Now, what also could be said if all of a sudden I'm hitting raging duck hook shots? Probably a little closed, and I might be doing something a little bit with my hands. Absolutely. So that's the first thing that we're going to look at today. And we've all had a chance to get warmed up. I only have 3 stations open, so we're going to use the Ben Hogan rule. And the Ben Hogan rule was this. Ben Hogan always thought that his best practice was done in 20-shot increments. He would hit 20 balls, and then he'd go and have a cigarette. Come back, hit 20 more balls, go and have a cigarette. Now, we're not going to do 20 balls, and we're definitely not going to smoke a cigarette. So we're going to do 10-shot increments. And what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to hit 10 shots with your 7-iron, with your club face wide open. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to take your normal stance, your normal grip, and you're going to go ahead and hit 10 shots with your club face wide open. So my club face here is wide open. And we'll see what happens. And then you're going to turn around and you're going to hit 10 shots with your club face completely closed. And what I want you guys to see is just how the ball reacts. I literally just want you guys to look at the cause and effect of what happens with your club face wide open and your club face completely closed. Okay? So, ladies first. Depita, you can be here. Jeff, I'll put you in the middle. Chad, I'll put you on the far end. As soon as who's ever done first with 10 shots, you can flip and let Garrett come in. And we'll go ahead and just to do a little cause and effect.
You want to move that?
We actually